Hey guys, today I'll show you how to go live on TikTok without having up to 1,000 followers. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss any step. If you noticed, we currently have less than 1,000 followers, so the first option is to join other people's live streams as a guest, or use the second method I'm about to show you. As you can see, our request was sent successfully to TikTok support and we should be able to go live after few days. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.